I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah blah blah, and I'm willing to share them all. Here's my sticks. These are my sticks here. This is a couple of fiddle bows I cut up, some timbale sticks, some tent poles, a bit of bamboo, and some steak sticks. There's the most obvious fiddle bow of them, isn't it? The top of it. It's kind of nice, it's a little too light, and a jazz bush, which again creates a lovely effect.